Yo, what's up everyone? My name is Andrew Warren, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about Tesla stock, and specifically, this topic is going to be about why I think Tesla stock is on sale today. So as you can see, the share price is currently at $480.30. We're actually down 4.67% for the market hours today. That's near a 5% drop for Tesla, and that is minus $23.27 off of the share price. But we have gained a little bit of that in the after hours at plus 1.11% or plus $5.25 added on to the share price. Now with that, so far, as we know with yesterday, and as I've tried to emphasize in previous videos, after hours don't always predict what the next market day may look like in terms of it being positive or negative. As we know with yesterday, the after hours were like plus 2%, plus 4% or something like that for Tesla for today, and then the after hours this morning was at like plus 6% for Tesla. But as you can see from today's market hours, we are at minus around 5%. So the after hours for yesterday definitely did not predict how it turned out today for the market hours. So I just want to emphasize that as well. But my point with this video is Tesla has gone down significantly in share price today. And even though we've seen such a huge run up over these past couple of weeks, over this past month, we're up 63%. The past 3 months, we're almost up 169%. And then the past year, we're up almost 972%. So of course, this stock has gone up a lot in just a matter of a year, and deservedly so in my opinion. But with this video, I want to point out why I think today was a great day to buy Tesla stock. For those that picked up Tesla, had some cash on the sidelines, and took advantage of a day like today, I honestly think that was a really smart decision, and I will be explaining why. And so as always, if y'all do enjoy these Tesla videos, please make sure to smash that like button. But just getting into this topic, I don't want to talk about too many things regarding the news that was recently announced, but just to address something, Tesla has announced that they will be having a $5 billion share offering, which will result in about a 1% dilution of shares that exist now. So with this news, beforehand, everything was really positive for today, and the market hours were really far into the green, and then this was announced, and there was almost like an overreaction to this, and people viewed it as a negative thing when in my opinion it's actually a good thing. But that topic is for the video after this one. But I just wanted to explain why we saw such a big red day for Tesla today. And like I said, it is a pretty solid red day. It's not anything new for Tesla because we have seen minus 4, minus 5%, minus 10% for Tesla in the past. So it's nothing really new. But I just wanted to note the reason as to why we saw such a big red day, especially when yesterday was such a huge green day. And usually with the history of Tesla, it seems like there is consistency where if there's a really huge green day, like far into the green, 10% plus in gains, it seems like a lot of the times the next day after that is actually another significant green day as well. And that was actually my prediction for today, and it ended up being a red day. And a lot of this does have to do with that recent announcement of the Tesla dilution of shares, where they're going to be offering about 1% more in shares for sale, which is about $5 billion worth. That's 1% of the current market cap of Tesla right now. So that is the reason why we saw a red day today. And so in my personal opinion, Tesla stock is on sale today. This was a great price to buy in, especially because we have many short-term factors in addition to a crazy amount of long-term factors that could cause this stock to grow tremendously in the future. So just addressing the remaining short-term factors, we have potential S&P 500 inclusion coming up sometime soon, which could be a big mover for the share price. And then we also have Tesla Battery Day, where they're likely going to be announcing some groundbreaking progress on their research with batteries. And then of course the things that they will be doing with the batteries in the future to improve Tesla as a company, scale their business, emphasize efficiencies. And that could be a big moment as well, because right now some of their bottlenecks or constraints are the fact that they need to produce batteries at a massive scale. And then also with Tesla continually improving the technology on declining cost curves for the batteries, for one thing, it just propels that head start that Tesla has on batteries even further than the rest of the competition, and it widens that gap even more. So as we know right now, if you are looking for a high quality product that you get the most value for your money out of in terms of an EV, then Tesla is the way to go, because they have the best metrics, they have the best software, they they have the best autopilot capabilities, and they have the biggest data lead in full self-driving technology. So in terms of the value that you get for your money, Tesla is where it's at. And then you also have the really small details that matter as well, such as the cool Easter eggs and the games on the Tesla screen and things along those lines. So it's the small things, and then it's also the big things as well that make a big difference, where if you just put two things side by side and compared all of these details, you would obviously choose the one that you get more value for your money for. And so these are just a few events that we have coming up for Tesla soon. Like I said, the stock split just occurred and we saw some crazy growth for Tesla, but now we still have potential S&P 500 inclusion, Tesla Battery Investor Day, and then also just keep in mind how other company events that are headed by the CEO Elon Musk, such as with Neuralink and SpaceX, sometimes those events can have like a little bit of an overlap with Tesla, where if it's a huge success event like we had the rocket launch earlier this year, then that could lead to an increase in Tesla price as well, just because of the fact that when it shows that Elon Musk is able to be successful with multiple companies and we're seeing success across the board, then that can help reinforce the faith that people have in Tesla and make them want to buy more Tesla stock. And we saw that happen with the rocket launch earlier this year. And so if there's any more progress announcements with Neuralink or SpaceX or Starlink or OpenAI or the Boring Company, then we could see a little bit of an overlap as well. And then also right now, there are rumors of a potential announcement of a new factory in India. Now, this is just a rumor right now, but somebody did come out on Yahoo Finance talking about Tesla stock, and they acted very confident in the fact that Tesla is looking for a location for a Gigafactory in India right now. Now, like I said, this isn't 100% set in stone with exact proof of that claim, but this person did go on Yahoo Finance, and the rest of the things they've said were really good points and accurate. And so they mentioned this potential location in India for a Gigafactory as well. So that is a possibility. And honestly, I would love to see more Gigafactories in China, since that's where we're seeing some of the biggest progress right now in terms of efficiency, optimization, vertical integration, and expansion. So I think China is really where it's at right now, especially if they want to capitalize on more of the market share there. And keep in mind that these are just a few things that I've mentioned this year so far. Just imagine the many years into the future, by the time of 2030, all of the events that could happen. We have the Model Y ramping up production in early 2021 in Shanghai, and as we know, Shanghai is very good at pumping out high quality Tesla vehicles, and they've done that with a Model 3 so far. And keep in mind that we had a news piece yesterday in which the Model Y was the third most sold vehicle of July. So we are seeing a lot of progress right now with the Model Y, and it will likely continue to take up more market share and could even surpass the Model 3 in terms of sales. So we have that going on right now with the Model Y making progress. Then you have production being ramped up in Shanghai in early 2021, and then you also have the rumors about the Tesla Semi in 2021, and then you have Cybertruck production happening in late 2021. Now that could be delayed. I wouldn't be surprised if that's somehow delayed into 2022, but we do have these announcements of events happening, and this is just over this year and next year. So I can only imagine the things that will be happening with Tesla farther on into the future, especially when it comes to expansion into the energy sectors, such as with their battery products and services and with their solar panels as well. Those sections of the business are supposed to be just as large as the automaker section of Tesla's business. And then further on into the future, there will likely be an expansion into even more markets. And then also, as time goes on, we have more digital services for Tesla, over-the-air upgrades, the full self-driving technology packages, which are rising in prices. It's already gone from $7,000 to $8,000, and we will likely see an increase in the future as that technology starts to get perfected more and more. So there's so much potential for Tesla, especially over these next 10 years, and there's so much that you could just spend all day talking about the various things that they will likely be doing in the future, and then other possibilities as well. Just keep in mind there's a lot of things going on behind the curtains that Tesla's probably not even telling us about, and that kind of goes along with like the full self-driving chip, where they built that in-house, they kept it low-key, and then they had Autonomy Day where they basically told everything what was going on with that. So there's probably some secret projects going on with Tesla as well right now, which I'm definitely interested to see more of in the future. But in my personal opinion, this stock price right now, although it is at a premium, the reason it's at a premium is because there's no competition at Tesla's current level, and there's a lot of clarity for the progress in the future of this company. So I'm really excited to see what happens with this company over time, but I honestly do think that this is a great share price to get in on. That's just my personal opinion. Nothing that I have said in this video is to be considered financial advice, but I think in the long term, as people look back on the share price of Tesla back in 2020 2020, and on September 1st, they will likely think, now that was cheap. How did I not realize that? And you can mark my words on that. You can come back to this video many years into the future, and I'm very confident that I will be correct on that prediction. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please make sure to smash that like button, and also feel free to check out Robinhood and Webull in the description below. If you sign up with my referral link, you'll get some free stocks, and especially with Webull right now, you'll get 2 free stocks if you use my link and deposit $100 into your account. That's pretty much just nice passive income because you can take that $100 right back out. So it's basically just free stocks, free money. But I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week.